In primetime news this evening, no hiding. Privy Council tells PNP to answer traffic guru questions in open court. Looking back, what's the traffic guru affair all about? We are not satisfied. Women's group seeks meeting with gender minister about domestic violence issues.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts about calls for impeachment legislation to be enacted to remove public officials from office? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.